Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a bacon cheeseburger from scratch. To be making the bread from scratch, we're just gonna whip it up really quickly, and then I'm gonna use some good old bacon, some ground beef. You can use ground turkey or ground chicken. All right guys, so these are my ingredients. You have the flour and salt, the yeast, the egg, the sugar. That's milk and water. I'm gonna pour it into my bowl. I actually warmed it up. Add your sugar, mix your sugar up to dissolve it. As you're mixing, you want to pour in your yeast and just let it twirl away in there and foam up. After it foams up, after about 5 to 10 minutes, add it to your mixer. You could definitely do this by hand, but I wanted to use my mixer because, child, it's just too much work. So you want to add your yeast mixture, your butter, your egg, and now you're going to add your flour mixture, which is, like I said, flour and salt. Mix that up. After about 1 minute, this is what you get right here. You actually want this to go for about 7 to 8 minutes. After 7 minutes, the dough is perfect, and I didn't even have to adjust it, so I'm happy about that. You want to put the dough into a greased bowl and allow it to double in size. Mine took about 45 minutes. Now, woo! It definitely doubled in size. You want to punch it down, and now we're just going to form like balls. I didn't even bother putting it on the countertop and rolling it out and doing all that. You don't have to do all that, child. It's just bread. Just pick it up, make a dough. It's like making, fried dumpling. If you've ever made fried dumpling. And then you want to form it and just put it onto your baking tray. These are about 1 ounce balls. However, if you're uncomfortable, you can roll it out and make sure every single thing is the same exact size. Next, you want to brush your buns after they rise a second time. And you want to pop them into the oven and just let them bake off until they're nice and golden and perfect, just like this. Oh, child, let me tell you, first of all, my kitchen smells amazing. You hear me? Amazing. These buns were so soft and perfect and delicious and flavorful. I really hope someone tries this recipe. And yes, I haven't made bread or burgers in a minute on this channel. Even though we can't go outside, it's still getting into spring and barbecue season. So I'm going to get into that right now. And yeah. Alright, so these are my burger patties. I bought it out of Walmart. It's already formed, so I don't have to form it. This is also the maple bacon that I'll be using. It's what I had on hand. Use your favorite. I'm using the hamburger seasoning from McCormick. I got that from Walmart as well. This is my barbecue sauce that will be available this summer, so look out for that, you guys. And that's the barbecue sauce we're going to put over the burgers. Cook off your bacon. This is the lettuce, pickles, and tomatoes that I'll be stacking on my burger buns. So the same pot that I cooked the bacon is where I cook my burger patties. You want to flip them after about 4 to 5 minutes. Add your pepper jack cheese. Next, I toasted my buns. I'm just going to let y'all watch. So this is how the burger turned out, you guys. I'm so amazed at the bun and how perfect it looks. I wish I had some sesame seeds, but that's okay. It still looks fine. And it was just really good. I mean, I didn't try it because, I'm just not into burgers like that. But my husband killed it and he loved it. And he wanted another one, but he couldn't get another one down. This one was this was good enough. This was enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for my little commentary on the end of this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and share. So here's my thing about burgers and burger buns. People think that the bacon or the meat makes the burger. I think the bread makes the burger. If the bread is hard or if the bread is not fresh, that burger is a no. So I'm going to hand this over to my husband. Hopefully he let me record him trying it, but because he's always working. But I'm not really a burger eater. I'm not into burgers like that, but he loves burgers. And so he wanted a burger today, so I made him a burger. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for supporting me, especially my darkest times. But anyway, love you guys. Bye.